How to view call history on Cricket Wireless 2025. Need to check who you called last month or verify a missed call. Most people assume call history is hard to find on Cricket Wireless, but it's actually simple once you know where to look. The easiest method is through the Cricket Wireless website. Open your browser and sign into your Cricket account. After logging in, select My Account, then Usage. Here you'll see call, text, and data history for each line. You can view incoming and outgoing calls, dates, times, and call duration. In 2025, Cricket typically stores call history for up to 12 months. If you prefer using your phone, open the My Cricket app. Log in, tap Usage, and select the line you want to review. The app shows recent call activity in a clean and simple layout. Most people get this wrong by checking only their phone's dialer app. That only shows local history, not official billing records. If you need a detailed statement, you can download your billing history as a PDF from the website. This is useful for work, disputes, or record keeping. The surprising truth is that deleted calls from your phone can still appear in your Cricket account history. Now you know exactly how to view call history on Cricket Wireless in 2025. Subscribe for more mobile carrier tips that save you time.